All right, when we're getting ready to export things for laser cutting, something else that's important is to understand that we cannot, it won't work to export in Kirimoto if, for example, it's on the front plane. So like if I move the sketch to the front plane, then let's go to files. Well, let's delete these first. And then we'll bring in our part here. And then you can see that it's oriented this way, right? And so we have our settings. And then if we go to preview, you can see it does this weird thing where it just chopped it up into little pieces. And so it basically what it's doing is it's trying to understand how you want this object to be oriented. And so what it's doing is it's basically like slicing up layer by layer, and it thinks that you want to like stack a bunch of pieces on top of each other. So in order to use Kirimoto, we have to have all the parts be on the top plane. Now, if you have a if you have a three-dimensional part, so you have pieces going up and down and side to side, then we need to get them all laid flat. And so there's a tool for that called Auto Layout. Okay, now if you want to get that, what we do is we go to Add Custom Features, and then you're going to type in Auto Layout. Okay, and then it's going to search, and it actually searches like a bunch of documents that have it, and you can see here, and so you just want to pick a document that has it, and so like this one, and then you just click the Auto Layout thing to add it. Okay, so you could have picked that one, though. You could have picked any of those documents that had it, and that adds it. And then we're also going to add the laser joint feature, so laser joint, and we'll learn how to use this one later. So we type that. We can pick any of these things that have it. You can also just click feature script laser joint, and then you click that right there to add it. And then those things will pop up in this menu here. And so we'll use the auto layout feature here. And so what you do is we're going to type here the thickness. We'll use our thickness variable, and so it's going to detect which way to orient it. And then we'll set the width to be 1,000 and the height to be 1,000. And then what that does is it lays it flat on that surface, and that makes it so that we can then bring it into Kirimoto. And then again, the laser joints, which we have here as well, we'll look at that later. Okay. So, but for now, we just want to add those two plugins, the auto layout and the laser joint, so that we can use them when we need them. Okay.